Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nina, your balloon mate. In this video, I will decorate my balloon cross that I did 2 days ago. If you'd like to see how I did it, I will put the link in the description box below. In this video, I use smaller clusters of 6 balloons instead of my usual 1 or 2 core clusters. I just twisted 6 balloons or 3 tuplets, and the combination size is totally up to you. I did some with 1 large balloon with 5 10-inch balloons and some just medium-sized balloons. I connected each clusters using their necks till I reached the desired garland length. So why small clusters? Because I'm just making a short garland. So imagine if you have longer clusters, just 2 to 3 of them will be long enough to fit the backdrop stand. So the color placing would be so boring. I hang the garland using 260s. You can use as many as you like till you are satisfied how the garland is holding up. I like my large balloons to be facing front, not sticking outside the garland. Looking at it from a distance, I thought it was very plain, so I decided to accessorize it with gold chrome balloons. Then I added a triplet for more organic look and fixing it using a rubber band. It is the easiest way to put the triplet in my opinion. I am now placing the cross in the middle of the garland. Now let's move on to the bottom part. With the same type of cluster and colors, I will start at the center moving outwards. I fixed 2 clusters using 260s, twisting them around the base of the cross. Now I'm adding clusters on both sides using their necks. I make sure that the large balloons are touching the floor. And if they keep flipping up, just twist some balloons and it should fix it. I usually do not do patterns anymore, like same color placement, but in this case that I have two colors, I don't have many options in terms of placement, so I just did the same color placement of the left side to the other side. I added some chrome balloons to make it look more alive. I always step back to look at my work from afar to see the bigger picture, the balance, the color placing, the shape. So I always try to look from afar. And finishing the setup with greeneries. I love this vine and it goes well with light colored balloons. I tried two different looks, but I can't tell which is better, so comment down below which is better between the two. Thank you for watching, guys, and do not forget to like and subscribe because it really helps me and this channel to grow. Thank you and see you on my next one. Bye!